Say hi guys. Welcome to my vlog. Say hi. Welcome to my vlog. Say hi. Aslam, say hi. Hoy. Say hi na. You will go na, master? Bye-bye, master. Sano? Here also. Mati, alas na. Put your head here, inside, you cannot. Yeah, that's one. Okay.
You want all the same way?
Yeah, that one. Wow, first time. See? First time the history of Papa Johnson. First time helping. Wow. Not me. Tell na. Tugap. Okay, tell to me. This is Master number 1 BOH in Papa John's. Very hardworking. See? See? Very hardworking. Master B. See? Oh? Oh? Till na, Jepoy. What is...
What is the
Okay, okay.
No,
Okay, I will answer your questions.
Ask.
You said you will
Ask me na.
What is the meaning of?
Sampaling kita.
I will slap you. I will slap you, okay? Second?
Oh,
Maliit?
titi mo babaho.
What you say?
That was teaching me. Titi mo babaho.
What teach to you?
Huh?
What teach to you?
This one.
Edward nga,
That
Edward.
one.
Word. It means that you look handsome.
Ah,
Okay.
this look handsome.
What you sir? How about you?
What did I before I forget? Maliit.
Titi mo. Malay titi mo.
Maliit.
Maliit titi mo. You are the one who tell me and you are asking.
No, I'm not telling you that one.
Yeah.
Also you tell me.
It's mean that it means that you're blooming now.
Baho.
You're
Baho
blue.
you teach me.
Baho, it's
Bad
Smelly.
smell, yeah.
Smelly.
Malaikat susu.
Oh.
Maliit susu is